5 artists, 1 folio. It's an international collaboration, which will hopefully not only be fun to watch, but also very inspiring for your own projects. So today we will unbox 2 more packs of ephemera. Yay! Welcome, it's Barbara from Vienna, Austria. If you missed part 1 of this mini-series, please check the link below. I explain how this project came to life and I unboxed the first 2 packs of ephemera. One was from HEINZL and the other one was by Andrea from Arty Maze. So I'm going to make a large folio and I invited 4 junk journal artists to each make 6 pieces of ephemera for the folio using my latest kit called On My Desk, which is a collaboration with my very talented friend Ray, and which you can find linked below as well. And today we will have the pleasure of unpacking the ephemera from Joey Defee and Martina from Teal and Tattered Journals. Now the fun thing is they actually came in identical packages. One from the UK from Joey and one from Poland from Martina, so that's fun. So let me just clear this off so we can concentrate on the beautiful ephemera. I'm super excited. So this is Joey's package and I am so excited to have something from Joey in my hands. I'm assuming that you know Joey. If you don't, you really need to check out her channel for sure. Joey does not usually work with digitals. It's, oh, this looks like a Christmas present. I think Joey's focus is to show you what you can do with things that you already have and all the things you can do without purchasing so many fancy supplies. So definitely check her out. She also has a lot of great tutorials for newbies. So she has a lot to offer on her channel. So feel excited, haha, yes. This is a poem. Season of mists and mellow fruitfulness. Close bosom, friend of the mating sun, conspiring with him how to load and bless with fruit the vines that round thee. Maybe you can read it. Thatchever run. Oh no, I can't read this. By John Keats, and it's called To Autumn. This makes me so sad that I can't read this because I think this is Joey's most favorite poem. Oh, here we go. Dear Barbara, I'm so excited to share these ephemera items with you as part of this collaboration. The papers are truly beautiful. Aw, thank you, Joey. And I had so much fun making these pieces. So much so I made 7. Okay, that's cool. I can't wait to see how it all comes together and what everyone has made. Sending hugs from England, Joey. Yeah, I'm also super curious how the end result is going to look because I have no idea yet. So, I love how festive this looks with the gold. Thank you, Joey. I feel like it's early Christmas. Oh, I have the same washi. How cool. It's such a cute one. I will have to snip it open, I'm afraid. Oh, I am so excited. So this is one of the background papers. Okay, so Joey said she made 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we're starting off here with a little booklet. Oh, this feels so soft. She added follow your heart and also some gold. She knows how I love my gold. So there's a map piece there. This is like a mini junk journal. Oh, I love this. This is obviously from some notebook that someone had written in. This is from my prints. And this is like a mini junk journal. How cute! And there's even something here in the pocket. Aww, this is apparently a die cut. Oh, I just love all the shimmer. Cute little pocket there. So Joey for me is the queen of pockets for sure. She has so many tutorials of pockets on her channel. Ah, there's another little pocket. And she really gives great step-by-step instructions, easy to follow along. I'm sure she has a playlist for those if you want to check them out if you are in need of pockets or pocket ideas. Okay, this is great. I love these little booklets. So that's our number 1. Then number 2 is this cute little tag, Be Your Best. I love that. Again, lots of shiny gold here. And this is something Joey loves doing, is this faux stitching around her ephemera. Oh, this is so you, Joey. And I love that this is sticking out here. I just love that. Maybe this wasn't supposed to, I guess this was never glued down. So yeah, I kind of love that she left that. So here's the same poem. I believe this is Joey's favorite poem. And when you watch her video, yeah, I should maybe mention that. So Joey, of course, has a video on how she made this ephemera. And she will explain the significance of the poem to you in that video. So here, she wrote it again. Round the fetch Eve's run. Still can't read it. I hope you can. Yeah, again, we have the stitching here. So that's number 2. Then another tag, number 3, using her map paper. Follow your dreams. Love that she left this edge here all raggedy. She added an eyelet on this one as well. There's some rose gold eyelets. And the faux stitching again. Oh, and another poem. Let's see if I can read this one. Stop all the clocks, cut off the phone, prevent the day from something with a juicy bone, silence the pianos, and with muffled drum bring out the coffin. Let the memories come. Coffee? Coffin. It looks like coffin, doesn't it? W-H and Auden. Oh my gosh. Joey, I'm so sorry. I'm horrible at reading this handwriting for some reason. I apologize. Then we seem to have 2 little booklets. I love these kind of flip-up booklets. Again, there is some gold here. And some scrap papers. And there's the second one. This is from one of the envelopes from the ephemera pieces. Love that. Then we have 2 envelopes. Oh yeah, this is something Joey also does a lot in her videos, is painting with watercolor or gouache. So she made an envelope out of this book page apparently, which she painted, and then she added this little brad with the round thing and some washi tape on top to secure the flap of the envelope. It's not even, well, it's kind of an envelope. It's actually more like a flip out thingy. I love this bird here, by the way, and this label. So this flips down. There's a collage here. And this here, I'm not sure how this is supposed to work. This is supposed to be like a tuck spot, maybe. I don't know. I will have to watch Joey's video to see how this was meant to be. Maybe it's supposed to be a tuck spot when it's closed, so you can stick something in here without it falling out on the bottom. That would be clever. We'll see if that's what she meant. And so here's the second one with some cute festive red twine. Makes it look very Christmassy. Again, some beautiful watercolor trees. Another cute bird. And here again, a little collage with my items. And again, this is not completely attached. It's just glued in the middle. I don't know how this is supposed to go. Oh, and there's a pocket back here. Wait, does this one have a pocket? Oh, look, there's another pocket here. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. So I am sure that Joey is going to show you in her video how she folded these. And then you just tie it closed. It has an eyelet there. That's really cute. I'm not sure this is how it was. No, I'm sure it wasn't. Yep, I think this is how it needs to go. So, very cute Joey. Totally lovely Joey style. Thank you so much. I can't wait to put these in the folio, which I haven't made yet. And next up we have Martina's from Teal and Tattered Journals. So as I mentioned, Martina is in Poland. If you don't know her, that's another channel you have to go check out. Martina has a lot of like more colorful projects. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? Uh-oh, this came off. There's a little golden bead or something. Oh, I love this pocket. Also looks so festive. Everybody's ready for the holidays, I think, already for December. Oh, I love that. I love this little clip here. How cool and vintage does that look? So then there's a paper clip here to keep that closed. I love this flap. Look, so cute. Oh. Martina makes a lot of things in a very whimsical style, which I love so much. Sometimes when I look at her videos, I feel like I'm in a wondrous, crafty fairyland. It gives me such a good vibe. So, oh, there's another one. Oh no, Martina, I'm sorry. Some of these are coming off. I will try to find where they came from and try to glue them on again. So, my goodness, I love this handwriting. Thank you, Barbara. Dear Barbara, thank you so much for inviting me to take part in this amazing collaboration. I am honored to work with such talented artists. Oh, we're honored to have you, sweetie, as you and all the other ladies in this project. I'm sending 6 ephemera pieces. One of them is a pocket with a tag. I count them as one item, yes. The envelope I put them in is not part of this project, so feel free to use it however you like. So that's this one. Yay, I get to keep that. Thank you, Martina. That's wonderful. I loved working with your kit. Best wishes, Martina. Aw, thank you so much, sweetie. So we have 1, 2. There's 2 here, so I think that's 2, 3, 4. Wait. This is a whole bunch. A set of collaged elements to be used as tuck spots, journaling cards, etc. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so wait, this is 1. Okay, I don't know how she's counting, but it's more than 6, so it's fine. Ah, there's 2 journaling cards here. So 2 journaling cards backed with tea-stained cardstock for journaling. Here, do you see what I mean with whimsical? I just love this. It makes me feel all warm and cozy inside. Look at this beautiful eyelash trim paired with the gold. This is so typical Martina. This is where the beads come from. She added them on a gold ball pin. And that just makes it so cute and whimsical. She collaged here and then she added this transparent piece of paper and she stuck these clip art pieces over it. Love how she did that with the washi actually. It's so cute. Yeah, and so it's backed, she said, with tea-stained paper. This is so cute. This is the other one. Oh, this almost feels like I'm gonna get my fingers inky if I put my finger in there. So again, of course, these are from my clip art and she collaged in the back. Again, this beautiful trim here on the side. It's got bent a little bit. Writing space here. Then 2 tags with journaling space on the back. This one says create. So she added some flowers on this one. So she used my plain background paper, I think. And then she just collaged on it and added this create. Love that. And again, it looks so whimsical and cute. Here again, we have these two cute little beads. Then we have another one. So she again used the plain background paper. And then, yeah, and then of course, what I didn't mention is that she sewed around all of these. So here you see the zigzag sewing. Here she did it with a straight stitch. And these two she did with a straight stitch. I'm guessing these were cut out of a vintage botanical magazine. Here's an adorable little flower eyelet. Grateful, yeah. This is from my kit, a little fabric cluster. Love that she kept the threads hanging. So here we have a pocket and a tag to go into the pocket. So here's the pocket. Love how she added all these elements from the clip art. Added this label here, sewed around it with a zigzag stitch, and this tag goes in it. This I think is the one that I have in my ephemera, which is already pre-made for you. You don't have to do anything else with it. So I'm just going to clip these together so that we know what goes with what. And then finally we have this set of collaged elements. I actually don't even want to take these apart. How cute are these? I'm definitely keeping these together, I think, unless I really need some more ephemera. And she edged this with some gold gilding wax, all 3 cards. So here it says September, and here's another collage. Oh, it's so cute. And another bead here. Aha, I think this is where this one broke off from, but that means I cannot put it back together because it's completely broken apart. But it's also cute just with the one. So that's these 6. So like last time, 2 totally different styles, and we're gonna mix all 4 styles up in our folio and then see what that looks like. I have no idea. It's an experiment, and I can't wait to make that folio and to be able to put everything in it. So stay tuned for the making of the folio, which will be the next video. Thank you so much for joining me for this amazing unboxing. Thank you, ladies, for your wonderful ephemera. It is such a pleasure to be able to touch your creations. It is so special for me. I can't even tell you. So thanks for hanging out with me, and hope to see you in the next episode. Love you guys. Mwah!